Inside this strange asylum, there were 3 insane men who all claimed to be Jesus Christ. So the doctor forced them to live together for 2 years to see if they would stop being crazy. On the very first day, the men started arguing. They believed the other 2 were possessed by the devil. One of them even ended up beating another, only to receive a chair to the face a few days later as payback. Then the doctor handed each of them a fake letter, which he claimed had been written by God. In it, there was a command ordering the 3 men to accept that they were just human beings and to stop hitting each other with chairs. The problem was that they thought the letter was a divine test, because since God was speaking directly to them, they became even more convinced that they really were Jesus. So the doctor got frustrated and decided to bring in a box with a mysterious object inside. He asked the men to perform a miracle by guessing what the object was. Obviously, none of them managed to guess what was inside, but they still kept believing they were Jesus. The problem is that when a crazy person builds an identity like this, no obvious truth is enough to destroy it. So the doctor gave up on the experiment because in the end, everything he'd been doing all along was just torture.